My name's Cole Godfrey, and the topic I chose is molecular weight. The molecular weight is the weight in grams of 1 mole of an element or compound. Before learning about molecular weights, you have to know what a mole is. A mole is a scaling factor used by chemists that make it easier to compare the weights of different elements and compounds. The molecular weight of 1 mole on an element is shown in the bottom of each element's box in the periodic table. This example shows what oxygen looks like on the periodic table. The number on the bottom is the atomic weight, also known as the molecular weight, which is the weight in grams of 1 mole of oxygen. The molecular weight is 15.999 grams. Finding the molecular weight of a compound of more than one element is similar to finding the molecular weight of one element. First, you figure out how many of each element are present. For example, H2O consists of 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. Hydrogen is about 1 gram per mole and oxygen is about 16 grams per mole. Lastly, add both hydrogen weights to the 1 oxygen weight to get the molecular weight of H2O. The molecular weight in this example is 18.015 grams per 1 mole of H2O.